The Saskatchewan Rivers Public School Division serves over 9,000 students across 32 schools in the city of Prince Albert and the surrounding area, so we're a mix of urban and rural. We make a lot of decisions at the board table that impact those students, obviously, and we were looking for ways to strengthen that, to improve that, to enhance that, and the board did some initial work, and that's what led to the Sask River Students for Change initiative.
And from that group, we eventually got to the position of student trustees for Sask Rivers. And for the last 4 years, we've had 2 student trustees at our table representing the views of high school students throughout our school division.
And we're the first in the province who had that formal student representation at every board meeting all year long, and it's a great asset to have.
This is an innovative process because it allows students to become the building blocks of policy. Adults, they try and do as much as they can in the school divisions, but only kids know what's truly going on.
We are the SRSC.
We are given the opportunity.
I would encourage other boards to adopt the process that we did. It wasn't easy. It took several years before we had student trustees at the table, but it certainly has been worth the effort.
The board was very supportive. They gave us the tools that we needed to succeed, and they helped us make the connections that we needed to achieve our goals, and we felt like our voices were really heard.
This Sask River Students for Change initiative has changed the way we do governance. It's shifted the tone and the perspective and the influence of the decisions at the board table. We've always been student-centered, but this really helps to influence the direction and the conversations and the decisions that we make. It's sustainable, it's entrenched in the way we do things in terms of our board agendas to the structure of SRSC. This is a really low-cost, really high-impact initiative.
This is different because we actually take concrete action, like we've done talent shows, we've done fundraisers, like we're actually building a better community when we're talking about these issues and when we're doing these actions. So I feel like it's long term. And then also I feel like we're going to give kids, like younger kids that are now going to move up into this committee and like into the SRSC and become trustees, we're kind of setting it up for them to create even bigger change. And so I'm really interested to see where it goes in the future.